Okay, today in phonics, both sides of your worksheet is going to be review. So 47 and 48 is seat work papers. So that means both side is review. So it should be a pretty easy day, which is good because today is Friday. Okay, number 1, draw a line between the two parts of the sentence. Draw and color a pond picture. Remember that the two parts of the sentence, the first part of it is who or what the sentence is about, and the second part is what happened. Okay, I'll read the sentences. You choose where the line goes. We rowed the boat. The bees hummed around the flowers. My dad fished at the pond. A toad dozed on a warm rock. I saw 3 dragonflies. The breeze cooled us. The sun shone on my face. The waves rocked our boat. Then you could draw a little pond picture. And I know you guys are probably freaking out. Some of you probably want to draw it and color it. Some of you don't. Today's Friday. Feeling generous. If you don't want to draw your pond picture or color it, you don't have to. All right, let's go to number 2. Match to make good sentences. Okay, so on the left-hand side, you have the beginning of the sentence, and on the right-hand side, you have endings. I like to go, and it has a line to fishing. I like to go fishing. That makes a good, complete sentence. What if they'd have drawn the line to red? I like to go red. That doesn't make sense. Nope. So you have to make sure your sentence makes sense. Okay, and that's a good, complete sentence. I like to go fishing. Okay, the next one says the fish has a... Look at the words on the right and draw a line to the best one to complete the sentence. I use a fishing what? Pick one on the right side. My boat is... Draw a line to the word to complete it. I fish in the... And the last one, I will eat fish for... Draw a line that completes the sentence. Okay, flip over onto the back, page 48. Okay, number 1 says, read the clues, circle the correct word. Okay, the first part under number 1 says something that ticks. Read the 3 words beside of it and choose the correct word. The words are cock, clock, crock. Down to the next one, part of a tree. What is part of a tree? Grump, bump, stump. Okay, I'm going to stop reading the words. You guys read the words. Remember, you can circle your special sounds and vowels, and I'll help you read them, okay? The next one says something sticky. And the last one in that section 1 says something gray. Number 2, circle the special sounds. Draw a box around the word that does not belong. Okay, so in the first section, you have star, porch, arm, spark. Circle the special sounds and draw a box around the word that does not belong. Okay, you're probably, what you need to do there is look, they should all have the same special sound. Okay, so the one that doesn't have the same special sound is the one that does not belong. And that'll be for all three sections of number 2. Okay, second section in the blue. Circle the special sounds and then draw a box around the word that does not belong. The words are 3, thrill, this, and throat. And the last one in section 2 says now, brown, cow, grow. Okay, all 4 of those have the same letters, but they don't all make the same sound. Okay, so that row's a little more tricky. Number 3, choose the best word to finish the sentence. Bob plants seeds to see them. Read those 2 words and choose the best one. He plants the seeds in a neat. Read those 2 words, choose the best one. He hopes the seeds will. Read those 2 words and choose the best one. The bean plants grow from the. Read those 2 words and pick the best one. And lastly, Bob will pick the beans. Read those 2 words and choose the best one.